we have two types of trains, and this is really interesting. This locomotive was built in 1927. It was enlarged in 1941, so the huge wheels you see behind me were added in 1941 to get more speed. When it was tested, it went 103 miles an hour. The locomotive behind us is a BNSF General Electric AC 4400 C4. It's brand new, and so it has 4,400 horsepower. Now, if we had a speed or a race between the two, this locomotive would outrun it by about 25 miles an hour.
Just the detail, like it's like you've seen model trains before, but then to see all the work that these people have put into them, you have a better appreciation, I guess, of the model trains as a whole.
Southern California was made possible by the transportation system that the railroads created back in the late 1800s. 8 or 9-year-olds that will come up and know as much about the locomotive as many of us. They'll follow us online and they're like, oh, did you know that engine was built in 1927? Or did you know it was made in Philadelphia by Baldwin? And it totally blows you away when you see these young kids that have researched this stuff on the internet. So to be able to connect with that is really awesome.